Building in Accra can be quite the adventure, like trying to make Banku without knowing how to stare. Some people hire architects because their brother's friend said, "Oh, he's good with a ruler." Next thing you know, his building is like leaning like a choo-choo trying to overtake, and the assembly won't give you permits. But seriously, Accra is transforming. It's turning into a modern city full of grass and green, like we are growing cocoa on the rooftops. I'll show you how to find an architect who knows their stuff, so your house doesn't become a laughing stock on social media. No long stories, just the right information. Part 1. Accra's Renaissance. What's changing? A. Accra is upgrading. Big transport links, like the 4-tier Bakwasa interchange, open in 21, making moving people and material easier. This pushes development into new zones and raises building utility. B. Contemporary climate. Smart buildings are rising. One airport square set a sustainability benchmark. Ghana's first Green Star rated commercial building, showing how smart design can cut energy and water usage. C. Ghana has a modern building code, GS 1207-2018. It sets safety, health and resilient standards. Good architects design according to this code. Accra's got new roads and smarter buildings. Good architects follow the safety rule book, so your house strong and comfy. Part 2. Before you start, the non-negotiables. 3 quick truths. Number 1. Use a registered architect. Check the names on the Architect Registry Council, ARC. Good standing list. If the name isn't there, no deal. Number 2. Expect a professional contract. Ghana Institute of Architects, GIA, says, don't do design work without a proper engagement letter/contract, and ethics apply. Number 3. Permits are the law. For Accra AMA, you need the right drawings, proof of land title, and sign off before building. Check the name, sign the paper, and get permission. Part 3. How to choose the right architect. Step by step, easy mode. Step 1. Shortlist 3 to 5 names. Look for homes in Accra that you like, materials, ventilation, shade. Ask who designed this. Step 2. Verify registration. It takes 2 minutes. Search for ARC site for architect/firm. Screenshot their status. Step 3. Portfolio fit. Do they design for Accra's climate? Deep overhangs, cross ventilation, shaded courtyards, any energy. Smart examples like One Airport Square climate strategy. Step 4. Process and deliverables. Ask for a simple roadmap. Concept, planning approval, detailed design, structure/MEP coordination. Permit, site supervision. Must comply with GS 1207-2018. Step 5. Contract and professional conduct. Use a written engagement with scope, stages, payment, schedule, copyright, and dispute resolution. GIA ethics discourage working without it. Step 6. Insurance and team. Ask about professional indemnity and cooperators. Structural engineer, service engineer. AMA bylaws typically expect signed drawings by qualified professionals. Step 7. Permit and neighbours. Your architect should lead the AMA permit process. Forms, title evidence, site/plot plans, drawings, red flag, checklist, say it's with me, no ARC record, no contract, no permit plan, no climate logic. 4. Design like a local. What's good look like in Accra? A. Shade is king. Deep eaves, verandas, screens. B. Breeze bath. Align windows for cross ventilation. Cool air in, hot air out. C. Thermal mass and roofs. Light-colored roofs, ventilated attics. D. Water and power smarts. Rainwater storage, solar readiness. E. Material sense. Local stone/block. Durable finish that handles salt and humidity. Reality check. Ghana Building Code backs safety/health standard. Your architect should cite relevant sections in drawings/spec. Keep sun out, let wind in, save water, and don't burn. Part 5. Budget and scope. Staying friends with your wallet. Simple framework. Number 1. Start with a brief. Room, sizes, must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Number 2. Facing. Main house now, staff and guest wing later. Number 3. Cost clarity. Ask for a stage-by-stage invoice tied to milestones, concept, planning, submission, detailed design, site visit. Number 4. value engineering, adjust material/finishes without breaking safety rules. The code is not negotiable. Part 6. Permits made easy. What AMA typically wants? A. Complete forms. TCB plus application. B. Evidence of title. Land title/deed. C. Site plan. 1 to 2,500 or 1 to 1,250 plus block plan 1 to 50. D. Architectural drawing duly signed. Structural engineering where needed. E. Compliance with Ghana Building Code GS 1207-2018. Your architect should compile and submit, then track the approval. Fill the forms, show the land, show the drawings, and get the stamp. Part 7. Quality on site from paper to perfect. Number 1. Supervision matters. Request schedule site visits and reports. Number 2. Shop drawings and samples. Approve windows, tiles, roofs before bulk orders. Number 3. Test and sign-offs. Electric, plumbing, waterproofing checks. Snack list before handover. Number 4. Keep records. Meeting minutes, approvals, receipts. Then sleep better. Part 8. Diaspora bonus hiring from abroad. A. Verify ARC status online. Insist on live video walkthroughs. B. Escrow payments tied to milestones. C. Local compliance partner. Architect must lead AMA permit and code compliance. GS 1207. D. If also using a UK-based collaborator, ensure that they're properly registered in their jurisdiction too. Example, ARP in the UK, but Ghana work must still meet Ghana law or ARC rules. Pay slowly, check often, follow Ghana rules. Accra is evolving. Roads, smart buildings, new neighbourhoods. Your dream home should match this moment. Your next 5 moves. Number 1. Shortlist 3 to 5 architects whose work you like. Number 2. Verify ARC status only takes 2 minutes. Number 3. Agree on a clear contract with stages and deliverables. Number 4. Design according to Ghana Building Code GS 1207-2018. Number 5. Get permits via AMA before you break ground. Enjoying this? Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your top question in the comments. What's the best Accra neighborhood to build in 2026? I'll break it down for you. Permits, costs, timelines, everything step by step. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed. Let's build homes that are beautiful, safe, and smart. Your dream, my plan. Let's be.